Hey, what's up? Hey. Oh, God. In today's video, I'm going to unbox my two gifts that I got for Mother's Day. First gift that I get. Thank you. This is the first one, guys. Yes, guys. So here's the second one. Thank you. Okay, guys. So which one of them we're gonna unbox first? Animal ketchup rice. So if you do that, you go animal. Alright, we're gonna unbox this one first. Okay, so before I open the gift, I want to say thanks to two persons that got me my Mother's Day gift. I want to say I appreciate you guys so much, and I love you guys. Thank you so very much. Yeah, so let's go. You want to unbox this one, Romelio? Remember, you're showing it. Yeah. So guys, this is the first one, and we're going to remove these papers. Let me see if I can carry it on the camera some more. You want to know what in there? So this is the first gift that I got from Romelio's daddy. Oh, this is the Royal Tapas Rusticals. And the basket is so cute. Oh my god, guys. I don't think I'm gonna use this. Like, oh my god, it's cute. You know what I mean? Fully. Sure. Alright, guys. So let's see what's inside. But I really want to pull it. Listen, I can't see what's inside without pulling it. Okay, so we got a bubble bath, a body scrub box. I don't even be able to scrub on it. Yeah. And you got a shower gel and a, you can't see them too somewhere around the back. A shower gel. What is this? Oh, a body lotion. I don't know what's inside this little bag right here. But guys, this is so cute. I don't even want to open it. Because I forgot to like my dresser or go in my bathroom when I finish my house. Yeah, I'm not put it. I'll mix it. Or if it mix it, what does it? I'm going to show you this here. This here. I'm going to go to so long of that. Yeah guys, I'm loving this. Thank you so much. It's a 5-piece set. Oh, it's a light on the back, everything right nice. So it contains one shower gel, one body lotion, one bubble bath, one body scrub, and one bath salt. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to have like a jacuzzi. But yeah guys, this is so cute. I thank you, Mr. Tracy. Yes, thank you for this. It's cute. And for that you got a mwah. That's for you, Romelio daddy. Romelio, where I do? Okay guys, so we're gonna open another one. This is from my mom. My mother, I didn't get her get this here because I was honestly broke. So I want to tell her thanks for this gift. Let's open it. Let's open it. Help me. Tear off this. Tear it off. 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 This one. Tear it off. Period. You want this? Wow. This is looking like a cologne, guys. Yeah, I have to tear it off. Pull it. Guys, you might have to pull the gift. Come, Papa. There are some pieces now. Oh my god! New York City scent. Can you see? So yeah, this is a NYC scent set. Let's open and go inside and see what it contains. Okay, this is from my mom, in case you're just joining. Thank you, mother. But definitely I get it 2 gifts next year because this year I'm gonna have the money. I got understand. So she understands it. Okay. Guys, this smells good. Look at this. Smell it? Smell it. Oh my god, this is cute. I got a key ring right here. This is a aftershave balm. Most of them open up for this now because the shave and aftershave balm. Wow. It's an aftershave balm, guys. I don't know if you can see it so well, but yeah. Oh my god, this is cute. Now I forgot about Mother's Day gift before Mother's Day come back. So guys, if we get some money, I'm going to go gift for her. I'm going to let you. I'm going to bring you guys. But yeah, guys, how do you like my gift so far? Comment below and let me know. Perfume sets, NYC scents, and this is a bat set. Yeah. This is a Romelio. This one somewhere in the This is a bath set for my boyfriend, and this is for my mom. And I thank you guys so very much because I had time back and that's what I said. Don't Papa? Look. Daddy get this and grandma. Which one you like? Show me which one you like. I'm gonna put up this one. Which one you like? You like that one? You like both of them? You like both of them, guys? So guys, we have come to the end of the video. Comment below and tell me which one to give them more. And Rudy, yes, to see what so me get to them there. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. So remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. This is baby Romelio. Look at the camera. Look. Look now. Look up. Baby Romelio. Look. Look. Say hi. Say hi, baby Romelio. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my mama's channel. What you're not giving me no wins? You're not giving me fans them no wins. Romy, look, huh? Yes, what's up? Say hi to them for me. Say hi, no? Say yes to you. Okay, guys, so we've come to the end of this video. I'd like you to like, comment, and share. You know something that's already. Yeah, I met him again. Stay tuned for the next video, guys. And if you have any video ideas, please leave it below, and I will definitely execute it. Okay? So see you next time. Love you all, and thanks for the support. Bye.